Let me show you an easy way to recover your TikTok account without the phone number or email address. And while you can recover your account without the email or phone number, keep in mind you most likely will need to use TikTok support to help you recover it. Keep in mind you also might need a driver's license. They might ask for that through the recovery process. Now, first, just open up the TikTok app on your iPhone or Android. And let's say you're currently logged out, you're trying to log in. The first option you have is to tap at the very top. It says use phone, email, and username. Of course, if you have the phone number, email, or username, you could just normally log in. But in this instance, we don't have that phone number or email to get that code texted to us. What you're going to do instead of that is tap on that little question mark at the very top right. And after you've done that, you'll be able to see frequently asked questions. Now, I would first recommend tapping the second option that says forgot your password. Tap on that, and it will say you want to look up your account. So you'll need to know your username for this process. If you don't know your username, you can always choose the second option as well. But let me just type in my username, Trevor Nace 1, and hit search. Now you'll be able to see it searched and found that username here, recent logins. Essentially, if it already has recognized that you've logged in on this device previously, you can just tap on it and it should just log you in. You can see if I tap on my profile, it immediately logs me in. If that doesn't work for you, however, there's another option. Let me just log back out of here and show you that other option. After I've logged out, you'll be able to see I can tap on use phone, email, and username. And we'll go through the same steps as before. We'll tap on that question mark. But instead of going through the forgot password, you're instead going to tap on the other option at the very bottom. Tap on other, and you'll be able to see can't find a problem you encountered, and you can see need more help. Now, you can recover your account through TikTok support, which is really nice. All you need to do is start messaging them. Say something like, I can't log in and don't have my email or phone number. And then hit send. Now, keep in mind at the very top, it does say responses may be generated by AI. So initially, when you're going through this support, keep in mind, it might not be a person that you're talking with, but eventually you'll get to a point where you can talk to actual TikTok support and they can help you recover your account. So it says, basically, I understand you can't get into your account. Tap on the recover account option. And it'll go back here and allow you to search for it and search for it through phone number or that option through your username. But you can basically go back as well. And you can say here, I need to submit a support ticket. And then hit send. Basically, you're going to go through the process until you get to the contact an agent option. Once you get to that contact an agent option, you can just tap on that and then it says submit a ticket. Tap on that and then you're going to describe exactly what happened here, why you don't have access to that phone number or email. And essentially you can upload a screenshot or anything like that. Again, just type in, I can't access my account. I don't have access to that email or phone number. Can you help me recover it? And they'll help you through the steps to recover it.